I used to think the sky was made of blue flowers, cuz used to have to stir the Kool-Aid for hours. Blood, these white lines rule the world, that's a power drug. Same way the government blew the towers up. Guess that's what I get for living in America. Well, we just trying to find a story for our character. Trying to fuck a French model on a terrace, but they don't let American werewolves in Paris, bruh. These people sleeping on the kid who's supplying the roofies, huh? Young Max ain't got time for goofies, huh? Groups and groups of groupies can't ease the pain that's running through me. Just a whole bunch of zombies like Call of Duty. How you tune in when the world is loony? How you shine when the times is gloomy, huh? You don't like being judged and sue me. Whoa. Who you gonna be when the world gets fried? Listen to your friend, it's the voice inside. If you lose me, where the hell you gonna go? Take somebody's life, who the hell gonna know? You know where we been, face down in the mud. Keep it real, we've always liked to taste the blood. So when you done being nice and things go south, keep in mind, always time to let the demons out. Let the demons out.